Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal scroll animation in Framer. This effect is fantastic for portfolios, galleries, or any design where you want content to move sideways as users scroll down the page, adding a dynamic and engaging element to your website. First, head over to framer.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, simply click on the project where you want to add the horizontal scroll animation. For this tutorial, I'm working with a project that already has columns containing images, which will transform into a smooth horizontal scrolling experience. Now, on the left side of your screen, locate and click on Stack. This is where we'll configure the container that will hold our scrolling content. Let's start by adjusting the width setting to fill, which ensures the stack takes up the full width of the viewport. Next, change the height to viewport, then adjust the height value to 50 VH. This sets the visible area to half the viewport height, creating the perfect canvas for our animation. With your stack selected, navigate to the direction setting and change it to horizontal. This is crucial because it tells Framer that content inside this stack should flow from left to right rather than top to bottom. Then find the overflow setting and set it to visible. This allows your content to extend beyond the container boundaries, which is essential for the scrolling effect to work properly. Next, click on Scroll Section and give it a descriptive name like Scroll Horizontal. Naming your sections helps keep your project organized, especially when you're working with multiple animations. Once that's done, head over to the Effects panel and click the plus icon to add a new effect. From the drop-down menu, select Scroll, then choose Scroll Transform. This is the feature that will power your horizontal animation. In the Trigger drop-down, select Section in View. This ensures the animation only activates when the section enters the viewer's screen. For the viewport setting, set it to center so the animation triggers when the section reaches the middle of the screen. Then, under Section, select the Scroll Horizontal section we just created. This links the animation directly to your horizontal stack. Now let's configure the animation itself. Click on Frame, then set both the opacity and scale to 1. These values define the starting state of your animation. Next, adjust the offset to 500. This controls when the animation begins relative to the scroll position. Now click back and select to view, which defines the end state of your animation. Set the offset here to -2500. This negative value creates the horizontal movement effect as users scroll down the page. To make the animation feel smooth and natural, add a transition and choose Spring. The spring transition gives your animation a more organic, bouncy feel that's much more appealing than a linear movement. Finally, click the preview icon at the top of your screen to test your animation in action. Try scrolling down the page and watch as your columns move horizontally across the screen. You should see your content gliding smoothly from side to side as you scroll, creating that engaging horizontal scroll effect. And there you have it, a fully functional horizontal scroll animation in Framer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.